Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can transform the way you store food, introducing the Elite Vacuum Sealer. We found this impressive vacuum sealer online and have added a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Elite Vacuum Sealer? This high-performance food preservation device is designed to help you keep your food fresh for longer. Whether you're an avid meal prepper, a family looking to reduce food waste, or someone who loves to keep a well-stocked pantry, this vacuum sealer is engineered to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the Elite Vacuum Sealer is its ability to seal wet bags with ease. This means that whether you're sealing marinated meats or soups, you won't have to worry about leaks or ineffective seals. It produces high-quality seals quickly, making it perfect for those busy cooking days when time is of the essence. Another highlight is its sleek stainless steel case, which not only adds durability but also gives the sealer an eye-catching and modern design. It's built in Italy and upgraded in the USA, ensuring that you're getting a product that emphasizes both quality and aesthetics. With a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, you can also have peace of mind, knowing that you are protected against any potential defects. Now, who is this vacuum sealer suitable for? It's perfect for home cooks, families, and anyone looking to save money by buying in bulk or preserving seasonal produce. If you enjoy meal prepping for the week ahead or want to store your favorite snacks without compromising freshness, the Elite Vacuum Sealer is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Let's talk about some practical use cases. For instance, if you're someone who loves to buy meat in bulk, you can easily portion it out and vacuum seal each piece for later use. This not only helps in maintaining the quality of the meat but also saves you from frequent grocery store trips. Another great use is preserving fruits and vegetables that you might not consume right away. Vacuum sealing can extend their shelf life, allowing you to enjoy your favorite produce without the fear of spoilage. Additionally, if you often enjoy sous vide cooking, the Elite Vacuum Sealer is an excellent companion. It ensures that your food is sealed tightly in bags, allowing for optimal cooking results. In conclusion, the Elite Vacuum Sealer is a versatile and efficient tool that can enhance your food storage capabilities while keeping your kitchen looking stylish. With its high production sealing, ease of use, and attractive design, it's an investment worth considering for anyone serious about food preservation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.